Is it true that you are ready to face the hard truth? Partner promoting is an incredible method to begin an online business. Numerous fruitful online entrepreneurs have utilized offshoot showcasing to dispatch their online organizations. Subsequent to accomplishing a specific degree of achievement, they spend significant time in their inclinations and start different organizations. I am aware of associate advertisers who have accomplished high livelihoods. Be that as it may, despite the fact that it might be an extraordinary method to begin, this ought not be accepted. It is simple. Associate promoting isn't simple, in spite of the fact that you can discover tutors who will help and guide you so you can forestall committing the errors, which in itself will quicken your expectation to learn and adapt. Be that as it may, there is as yet going to be an expectation to absorb information and a ton of work. Perhaps the greatest misguided judgment I accept out there in beginning a business online is, individuals set up an subsidiary program or site and afterward kick back and anticipate that the cash should come in. Despite the fact that to most this appears to be incredible. Truly, you will be right in feeling that this kind of reasoning is ridiculous. Individuals are as yet doing it, and intuitively this is unequivocally how they think. They set up their offshoot program, site or blog, at that point begin accomplishing brilliant work. As the outcomes aren't sufficiently brisk, they become diverted by the following large thing or quit accepting that this business they have recently begun will work. There are valid justifications for individuals to have this conduct and conviction framework. The web business openings have shown individuals for a considerable length of time lucrative chances and easy money scams that have littered the web since time started, online that is. The creation cash online. It's simple, kick back and watch the cash move in, gain millions while resting or working 10 minutes, all these slogans. These slogans are right, yet simply after a great deal of work has done to set this business up to be at a phase where you will bring in cash in your rest, and so on. Actually, in the event that you need to begin a business on the web, begin bringing in cash on the web, you will need to place in a great deal of work. Truly, you read effectively. You will need to place in a great deal of work. Let's be honest. You are beginning a business. Particularly in starting a business, you will need to do a great deal of work to get it fully operational. There must be a venture. This venture would either be time, cash, or a mix of both. Simply recall you are beginning a business. Beginning by not putting away a great deal of cash, you would need to invest a ton of energy. The converse is valid. The best alternative as far as I can tell and from the coaches I follow is a tad bit of both, time and cash. Great coaches will help and direction along the procedure, sparing a ton of problem, time and money related waste. In any case, you should have the option to discover these coaches, that could be troublesome enough with each other site promising the world on a press button easy money scam. I am appreciative for being acquainted with my guide and have not thought back. At the point when I met him, he revealed to me I would need to do a ton of work. He didn't avoid this reality. I should invest the energy. He likewise revealed to me unmistakably that I should put away some cash. All things considered, I am beginning a business, and these are two perspectives many would prefer notice or not to hear. The outcome is they get captured out and lose premium or wind up losing cash, burning through a mess of time just to have nothing to appear for it. In this manner all the while, their trust in any future online business shredded. So in the event that you can be straightforward with yourself, you concede that you will need to place in some genuine work and put away some cash. In the event that you comprehend this basic point, you as of now have a bit of leeway over a great many people who start on the web. Shockingly today, individuals are as yet searching for that brilliant egg or pain-free income. No, it isn't all fate and anguish. Despite the fact that I don't imagine that what I have quite recently shared is fate and misery, rather it ought to be a much needed refresher and should fill you with energy, as I have recently disclosed to you that on the off chance that you are eager to place in the work and put away some cash and stick with it, you will be effective. Presently coaches like mine who have really been fruitful in the region that they instruct and have an enthusiasm for encouraging others are significant to individuals who need to begin a business on the web. You will have the option to figure out how to do things the correct route as opposed to need to make sense of it yourself. They will have created procedures and devices that they give to accelerate the procedure and help assemble, by and by, you don't need to improve. Nonetheless, more significantly, they will have the option to guide and tutor you and welcome you into the network they have made where individuals are helping each other to accomplish their online business objectives. How about we let it be known the first occasion when you referenced that you were beginning an online business to your nearest and dearest, be straightforward, they were presumably not unreasonably strong and loaded up with fervor. Since alone is one bit nearer to overcome for your online business dreams. Notwithstanding, with an instant network that are totally inspired by you prevailing in your online business objectives and as a general rule can help and guide you along the way to progress, ceaselessly reassuring and supporting you. In the event that you might want to get acquainted with my coach who will disclose to you as is it, he will tell you the best way to truly begin and make progress. At that point, click on the connection beneath. I will send you a 3-section video preparing from him that will show you the nature of the mentorship you will get, and it will show you the nature of the preparation you will get. It will show you the trustworthiness and simple to adhere to exact guidelines. I strongly suggest this extraordinary network, joined with the coaching program. I have been attempting to make progress on the web for a long time. I have succumbed to presumably near each trick, which in the end squashed my objectives of ever having a business on the web. A person acquainted me with my coach through this equivalent video preparing I am offering you right presently for nothing. See and make your brain up. All the best with your online business attempt. I earnestly trust you can place in the vital work and make the progress you want for yourself and your family. Click the link in the description for more information.